My name is Erin and this is my PE equipment shopping list. With my $500 budget, I was able to buy equipment that will help 4th grade students master the California state standards while having fun. I bought all materials from Amazon Prime and Dick's Sporting Goods because they had free shipping as well as good deals. Yoga mats cover standards that are not just about enhancing flexibility and stretches. Students can use the mats to help with curl-ups to support their backs with a softer surface. I spent $81.75 on 15 mats. Basketball cover standards that deal with dribbling and determining space between offensive and defensive players. I ordered 8 basketballs because I plan on running lots of partner drills such as passing. I spent $44.01. I also bought 2 volleyballs which cost $22.64 and 2 soccer balls which cost $32.94. This will allow for the students to play on teams. It is important to learn sportsmanlike conduct while learning from each other how to serve and kick correctly. To add more team building exercises, I bought hockey sticks which cost $123.30 for students can learn how to manipulate an object. I also bought racquetball, which cost $30.59 for 2 sets, which will allow the students to learn how to hit an object back and forth with a partner. To help with creating these teams, I bought mesh jerseys for students to know if they are on the offensive or defensive team. This costs $19.34. It helps with standards of learning respect while playing sports. Going back to more partner activities, students can use tennis balls. I bought 3 packs for $6.58 for students to practice throwing techniques together. They can also use flying discs. I bought 8 for $44.01 to practice their backhand movement patterns. For individual purposes, I bought 15 jump ropes for $82.52 for students to practice the standard of being able to jump a self-turned rope. Lastly, I bought 4 4-packs of notebooks for students to record their assessments. With all of these items, I believe the standards can be achieved as well as adapted for those who need it. I spent a total of $497.61. Here are my resources. Thank you.